guys, this is the dashboard. We're headed out to a evening event with the group from Yulee Cars and Coffee. I think they're calling it Street Lights or Cars and Coffee After Dark or something. Anyway, it's going to be at the 7-Eleven in Yulee. Gonna go check it out, see what we can see how it turns out, because this is the first time they're doing it. Not 100% confident it's gonna come off well, but we're gonna go see. It's a small parking lot, so I don't know how many cars are actually gonna be able to be turning up. So, but there is plenty of parking behind it, so maybe they'll do it behind it. I don't really know. Going in blind, just gonna see what we can see and see how it goes. I'll update you some more after the event. So, I'll see you then.
Yeah. I went up there one time.
I'm gonna walk up to him. Hey, don't the root box. Need that root box. I'll back him up. Yeah, back up a couple feet. I got you. Do I even need to move back? Yeah.
Slow down, I guess.
Well, no, this is my son. We've done not a ton of work, but put him a Boston or two intake, just to push some horsepower, put him in the cold area. Huh? Oh, you'll be able to hear me.
You're fine.
Alright guys, so we are at the 7-Eleven car show. Man, there's way more cars than I expected to show up tonight. So, there's going to be a walkabout video for you to see. And, yeah, we still got them coming in. It's 20 minutes after the event started, and we filled up the 7-Eleven. We even took over the parking area in the shopping center next door. So yeah, let me turn this off and I'll switch it around and show you some of what I can see. Yeah, this is what I can see from my windshield. This is the early birds that got here and took up all the spots first, myself among them. So yeah, it's amazing how many people showed up for this event. I think the organizers are going to try to do it again, but there's a parking lot over there. You can't see it very well, but it's over there. It's practically empty, that they're probably going to try to get next time. So, we'll see. Anyway, I'm going to do another update in a few minutes when I leave. So... That's why I'm not aiming. I'm just going to have it right here in my hand.
It's not showing me anything. Is it supposed to?
No.
Okay.
Now that it's going.
All right. Yeah. Can I turn it on?
Your car is going.
Hit the red button. No. As you've got it upside down, top left-hand side. Left. There you go. Getting what I get.
Oh, okay. Well, I was just trying to see if I could see him.
Stop in front of that one and we can get video that flashes like that.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody's coming.
People are still showing up.
I got it. I got it.
All right. You know where the Publix grocery store is? over by where you on the south. Only time I do it.
Yeah. I'm not sure what he's doing. Yep. All right, guys. It is full on dark. We are leaving the 7-Eleven pop-up show. There's not a lot of light to see me with, so we'll just have to make do with what we got. Way more cars there than I expected. It was a good event. I think they're going to move it to a different parking lot for the next time they do it. Because we are a large club, and that's a small parking lot. So, overall, great event. We may want to rent some stand lights for the next time we're doing it, so people can see their cars under the lights better, because there was some very dark areas of that parking lot. But anyway, it was a great event. We may do it again, we don't know. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share on these videos. I need you to like and subscribe and let me know you like these videos, because I don't know. You gotta let me know. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next time. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video. Even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.